And I do have a shirt on. It's just, I gotta like.
Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Braya. If you are new here, please subscribe. I'm here with another video, the one and only better length hair, babe. Here is the finishing product. If you want to see how I did this and how I created this look, just keep watching. This is what the hair looks straight out of the pack. This is the 3C4A Kinky Curly hair texture. I went ahead and shampooed and conditioned it off camera, but this is how much setting I had got from it just by detangling my hands and my Y2 comb. And here I am showing you how loose the hair is after it's wet. Do not come for my parts. I know how to make straight parts, but not today in this video. I just really love how soft this hair is, and it looks super natural, like it's my hair. Okay, so boom, this is where I messed up. I don't know if y'all can see this, but in person, look, my hair is brown. Like, my hair is super light at the front, and that was not a good blend. So y'all about to watch me struggle. So I realized that it was not working. So what I did was I took out all of my braids from the front half of my head and just re-clipped all the clip-ins at the back of my head. I'm not gonna lie, in the middle of me filming this part, I did lose some footage, but I layered my hair in the front just like this. I basically went in each section and put in the smaller clip-ins, and I twisted my natural hair with the clip-ins so that it could blend better. After I added the smaller clip-ins to the front of my hair, I went ahead and twisted the rest of my head. Here I am again, struggling, trying to blend my hair. It didn't look too bad. It was just too noticeable for me because I could just see the difference and I didn't like it. little technique I came up with. I just went ahead and braided the front part of my hair so that part can lay flatter. I'm going back in with the Eco Style gel to define my curls and make sure they blend. My hair did look a little puffy on camera, but it looked really natural to me in person. Like, I really loved how it turned out. I was too happy. And I'm so dead. I was debating if I should change my shirt for the sake of this video, but here we are. I'm sure most of you know about this technique, but I just went ahead and laid my hair down because it was too puffy at the top with the bobby pin. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I literally thought that this was not gonna come out good. Like, I was like, I just wasted all my time. Y'all don't understand. Like, when there's a will, there is a way, sis. I'll make sure that I mastered it. I was like, oh no. Let's see how creative you can get, Braya, because I was not finna take an L, not today. Alright. But yeah, what I basically did was I just used Eco Style gel in my hair and I just went in and defined my curls. I'll just like rake it through and then twirl, twirl, twirl. And that's how I got this look. Waited for it to dry. And it's not bad. Like, I actually like it. What y'all think? I'm not afraid to let you in. All my ladies gotta be right. We getting ready for this. Oh wait, we're in quarantine. Never mind. But you can take some bomb pictures. Bomb pictures. Bomb pictures, okay? Let me help you take bomb pictures, sis. I really love this look because if you're in that awkward length stage, just get some clip-ins. Get some clip-ins. Get some clip-ins. It'll help. I know y'all tired of wearing wigs and stuff. Just walk outside. Easy. It's just free game. Free game. Free game. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you, lovelies.